All right, so this is actually my very first video in Iowa. This is the 5th Street Railroad crossing here in Dubuque, Iowa. So here's the first signal. It has a safe train base right down here. A safe train gate mechanism. Emergency information, dot number 911776D. Here are the lights, which are safe train 12 by 24-inch lights with dialight ball LEDs. Back of the light. Side LED. Gate lights here look like to be Rico LED gate lights. And that was the first signal. Going across the tracks over here. Probably gonna be a hard one over here because I don't think there's anywhere to stand over there by the signal. So I'm gonna have to just sneak over here and try to do this fast. Here's the second signal. Overview looking west. Here's the second signal, and it's another safe train base. It's another safe train gate mechanism. Here's the emergency information. More safe train 12 by 24-inch lights with dialight ball LEDs. And the bell on this signal is a safe train mechanical bell. Right up there. The gate lights here are more Rico LED gate lights. And then relay cases over there. Track views that way is looking north towards the Wisconsin, along the Mississippi River towards the Wisconsin border, or I mean in Iowa, right by the Wisconsin border. And now he's looking south towards Bellevue and then Clinton and then eventually the Quad Cities along the Mississippi River along Illinois. So if I go back over here, so that was the, zoom out here, this was the 5th Street Railroad crossing here in Dubuque, Iowa. Over and out.